I am pleased to testify before the committee today on how we can best manage electronic waste. Goodwill Industries International is a network of 184 local, autonomous goodwill agencies in the United States and 16 countries. We fund our mission through revenues collected from donated goods, as well as through industrial and workforce development contracts with government and the private sector. In 2007, my agency served more than 31,000 people with disabilities or vocational disadvantages through education, job training, and placement programs. We operate 54 retail stores, 40 attended donation centers, 3 campuses, and 21 workforce training centers. During the past decade, we have seen a growing number of computers and other electronic devices dropped off at our stores and donation centers. Nearly all of our agencies receive discarded electronics. In 2004, local Goodwill agencies handled nearly 23 million pounds of electronics. With the transition to digital televisions, California expects 15 million television sets to be discarded next year. The problem of e-waste is a growing one, but it also represents a great opportunity. My views today represent those of my agency, Goodwill Industries of Southern California. In 2003, California became the first state in the nation to enact legislation which implemented strict standards for the disposal of e-waste, the California Electronic Waste Recycling Act, or SB 20 or SB 50. The program was later implemented in 2005. In 2007, my agency was able to divert a total of 4.6 million pounds of electronic waste out of county landfills. These products ranged from computers and monitors to printers and other peripherals. California is the only state which uses the advanced recovery fee model to pay for the costs associated with collecting, demanufacturing, and recycling covered electronic products. Retailers are required to collect a fee of $6 to $10, depending on the size of the screen, on any cathode ray tube, liquid crystal display, or plasma device sold in California. These fees go into a state recycling fund to reimburse authorized collectors and authorized recyclers. Collectors receive 20 cents per pound for picking up unusable CRTs and delivering them to recyclers, who get 28 cents for canceling them. Along with 9 other California Goodwills, we are a state-authorized e-waste collector. As an authorized e-waste collector, we process over 10,000 CRT units per month. We follow specific procedures in recycling e-waste. First, we recycle working computers by wiping the hard drives to Department of Defense standards, install new hard drives, and sell the refurbished units in our stores. These sales generate approximately 10% of our total e-recycling revenue. Another 70% comes from the dismantling and sale of plastic, metal, circuit boards, and other components to commodity dealers. The final 20% is obtained by taking unusable CRTs to state-authorized recyclers. Through our national network of 2,100 stores and 4,100 attended donation centers in virtually every community in America, Goodwill already has the capacity and infrastructure to provide for nationwide collecting of e-waste products. The federal government can encourage private sector investment and not-for-profit involvement in the used electronic recycling reuse market through tax credits for consumers and manufacturers who partner with social agencies, recycling grants, and other initiatives that help stakeholders solve this growing challenge. Goodwill Industries looks forward to working with the House Science Committee to support a national solution to handle e-waste. Thank you.